Okay, this is I'm just taping this for my blog. And, right, so I just go on. I'd go in the morning, so I just go in here. Right? So this is what you can see. People are putting in their photos, and this road leads to Goregaon Park. So you see, it's right on the highway. So we're going to go across the road also. So how things have changed. So this is excuse me. So are you one of the photographers?
Yes.
Okay. So you have put India photograph here?
Yep.
Okay. I'm covering this for my blog. So
Okay.
I just want to highlight. Would you like to speak something?
Okay.
Which one is your photograph?
Okay. Out of this, this is my photograph.
And where is this?
This has been clicked in Goa. It's called Spring Beach. It
Okay.
is privately owned by.
And what do you do? Where are you studying?
As of now, I am pursuing BCom first year from Symbiosis SB Road.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is where I did my first MBA.
Okay.
SIB,
and
right, so-
my friends.
Okay, this is so. What are you trying to portray here?
This is not mine. So
Okay, you're not sure.
what she's done over here from here to here. These are my pics.
Okay.
So I'll just.
And what's your name? Just
my
go from-
name is Saurav Srivastav.
So okay, fantastic. So this is your hobby, right? As I understand, sort
yeah.
of. Right?
I'm new to this. I'm an amateur photographer, like from here.
So what do you want to become a professional photographer?
No, I wish to.
This is really good. So where is this? Where is this?
Okay, this has been taken in Darjeeling. I'd gone for vacation this May.
Okay.
And this is a Darjeeling War Memorial.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So
I'm
this
from
is
military
this
background,
is
so I got
this
access
is.
to this.
Oh, okay. My father was in army, so
Okay,
yeah,
Navy here.
Okay, okay. So this is from Darjeeling. This is
yeah.
really nice. I've never been to Darjeeling. I've heard it's a fantastic place.
Yeah, it's a
right?
beautiful place.
Okay, so this is
And,
Tanvi. So she's the one.
this is not mine.
Okay.
So whatever, my work is from here to here. That
Okay.
clip over there and these two pictures.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So who are others? Who are the other people who have?
Who are the others? I'll just call. Pranjal! Pranjal! Come here.
Yeah, hi. Hello, hi. I just came back and I thought I'll just tour. It's really fantastic. It's really nice. This is really good. Who made this? Child sees magic in his. Oh, hi. So my name is Nish, and I'm just covering a bit in my blog. So can I just interview you? So this is really fantastic. So what's your name?
Devana.
Devna. So Devna, what do you do?
I'm studying psychology from Ferguson.
Oh, fantastic. Okay. So tell me, what is the essence of this photograph?
Actually, her eyes, like, if you see her eyes, they're like really different as in her color, and also see her lashes.
Yeah.
They're like really beautiful.
This looks really lovely. So you thought about. So is this also your painting?
I just clicked it as Mumbai.
All of them.
No, just this is from Mumbai, and this is from Mumbai.
This looks so much better. Come on, the state in Mumbai really doesn't look like. I mean, this looks. Yeah, I stayed 5 years in Mumbai.
Oh, which area?
I was in Delhi Lokhandwala.
Okay, I'm from Dadar.
Okay, I was working with the ICC bank at that point of time. But this is the Vashi Bridge, right? Am I?
Yeah, this is the Bandhavali ceiling.
Oh, okay. There's a ceiling. Okay. So it wasn't there at that point of time. But it looks really nice. I think I love this photograph.
Thank you so
This
much.
really doesn't look this well. This looks much better now on the photograph. Glorious sky. Now this is what Bombay.
No, this is Pune.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Does Pune look like this? No. It's a very polluted city. This looks really nice here. Need to take some photographs. And this is
This is just at some bangle store, so I just
Okay.
clicked it from another angle.
it's really nice. So what do you use? You use a professional camera or do you use?
Yeah, I use a Canon 700.
Okay, so that's professional. I use actually this. This is automatic.
No, even that works actually.
Yeah, sometimes. Feel free to, I'm going to put some more photographs in this French solidarity which I have put in. So if you want to access my blog, and you could send me one of our photographs, whatever you want to share. So I'll give you, let me also come to this lady here. So this is what you have written. So what's your name? Neha. So Neha Jogi. So what is your sort of, this is your hobby, right? Or you want to take it professionally?
I'm hoping to take it professionally and I'm traveling around the world.
Oh, so where have you been?
I've been to Egypt,
Okay.
I've been to Australia, I've been to Paris, I've been to a lot of places actually. London.
Oh, okay.
I've been to,
Great. Have you been around Asia? Have you traveled good
Yeah,
around
I've
Asia?
been in India, I've been a lot.
No, apart from India. What about?
Apart from China, Beijing.
Oh, fantastic. You've been to China. Okay, good. I was in China. I studied in China. My second MBA was from China, Shanghai. Right. So now tell me, all these are your photographs.
That's right.
So where is this?
This was actually in Hong Kong. There's a dolphin.
This is a Hong Kong thing. So this is a Hong Kong.
There was
Right.
a dolphin show. Yeah.
And this is
This is in Hyderabad. It's at the Sailing Club in Hyderabad. They have this beautiful jetty where you can take a boat out and go to the
Oh really?
Hussain
Okay.
Sagar.
Hyderabad. So I need to visit this place. I went to Hyderabad long time back. I did my schooling in Sikandrabad, but
I see.
okay. And this is one of the Bollywood movies.
No. This was a flea market, and this couple just started dancing in the middle when there was this band playing, and this couple started doing salsa in the
Okay.
middle. So I just captured that.
And let's go ahead. So this is all yours.
No, that's fun.
So Malan, hi. So I'm just coming up for my blog.
Yeah.
Sure. Now I would like to know. These are your photographs, right? So are you amateur or you want to become a professional? How is it?
I'm an amateur and I don't even have a good camera. I've clicked these photos.
But the photographs are lovely, so it doesn't matter. So that means you are even better at you don't need a really good camera for stunning photographs. So this is where is this?
This is under my building.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what made you go for what I would say that this electric course?
I don't know. I was sitting there and I clicked the photo and it looked really good.
This looks like a good banyan tree.
Yeah, that's in KP. That's lane number 2.
Oh, okay. I stay in KP. So this is lane number 2. This is where the Osho lane is. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And this is?
That's a sunset. That's from my house. Okay, that's from my
Yeah,
town.
very good. Very good. So you want to become or it's just your passion?
It's just my passion.
Lovely, I should have brought in one or two of my photographs. It's really nice. How long is only today, right?
Yeah, only.
Well, I think it's a very good initiative. So, what would you like to say?
Nothing, man. So all the budding artists out there, all the best.
Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure how the soundtrack is,
Yeah,
but let's hope so. So, is this bike also yours?
that's my bike.
And this is which one?
This is a Yamaha R15.
How is it? It's good. During my time, I used to drive Hero Honda, and I'm still driving that. It's 20 years back, I bought that. But I was doing my engineering, so I don't know. So, this how many cc is this bike?
150, man. Not a very powerful.
But
it's not
looks
a
really
super
good.
bike.
Yeah, right. I think that, the way you've captured it, it reminds a bit about Dark Knight with huge tires. Matlab, a small version, downgraded version of the Dark Knight. Little bit bigger tires would have done the thing. Right? Well, anyway, thanks for talking to us.
Your name?
My name is. I'll give you my photo.